Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for December 14, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart here, so today the market gave up and then they run up, they push it back down and retest the buy zone again. So you can see here in the short term, this morning market push it back up, they hit to the sell zone and then the seller coming in and then they push it back down to the pivot buy zone. So the market still have no clear direction where they want to go. So we have to watch out. If the market be able to hold up at this level, they can bounce back up. Otherwise, if they break it below here, then we have to watch out for a little bit more downside to get to the support level here. Okay, so the market is still sideways correction here. Okay, they don't have enough energy to put it back to the upside, because the energy sector today, they are losing momentum when they hit to the resistance. Okay, so if you look at the E-mini SP 500, you can see that the market is hit to the resistance this morning, so we're warning our members to be careful. And market is slammed down very close to the pivot buy zone here. So let's see overnight what the market want to do here. If they can hold up, they can rebound. Okay, if they don't, then we can see here. Okay, if they break this level here, the market, it can be a short-term downside correction. So we have to be a little bit cautious, because the market, it won't be able to push it up high here. So we have to be pay attention for that. Okay, and if you look at the E-mini SP 500 after hour, you can see that the market is this morning market it put it back up, and then actually on Sunday market gap up, they push it back up, hit the resistance, they pull back down, close the gap, but the seller put it back down to the buy zone again. So the market do have struggle here. So let's see overnight market, it can push it back up, and then we can see the market, if it can hold up here, we have more momentum the upside. Otherwise they put it back up and they will roll over again. Okay, so if you are in our live trading room today, you see that when the market open, our member, when the market is able to stabilize here, they break out the down trend line. Our member jump in, take a quick trade here, okay, to the top for 11 point again for the first hour. That will be $50 per contract per point. That will be $500.50. So the market it already gap up, so we don't have much room. So I warning everybody that we have to pay attention. And after that, the market it break down and continue to the downside to the end of the day. And so if you look at a lot of stock in the energy sector, the people when they hit to the pivot support, now resistance, and people are taking profit after they have a good home run here. So right now they pull back a little bit, so that they can build some momentum before they can find a way to push it back up again. So you can see that a lot of stock people took profit. That's why they put the energy sector down, like Chevron, Exxon, Mobil, OXY. Okay, those strong stock, they hit the resistance, and people taking profit first before they can go higher. And but the semiconductor is still doing extremely well. As you can see here, SMH is still put it to the upside after the correction last week, and then they find a way up. So they're leading by a lot of good semiconductor stock like AMD, like KLAC. Okay, they try to put it back up. NVIDIA also try to push it back up after they found support there. And technology software is still doing well. Apple is still hang on tight into this level there. And CSGG, those stocks that we highlight on the weekly market forecast, they still doing extremely well. Okay, another one that is zero, but still continue dominant stay-at-home product right now. They still doing extremely well. And that's another one that also continues to put it back up. So today I take a quick trade on two stocks, CNK. I do swing trade on this one here. They come back, they give me buy signal, jump in, but market is kind of struggle, so take one profit there. And then the Okay, they have some rumor, okay, buy out, so they put it back up right into the sell zone. So took some profit first to see what happened. So total swing paid profit, net profit today at 27.23. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So if you are not member of Stock Navigator, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have a video there for you to take a look, so that you can see how we trade, so that you can make some money. And make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And always remember, give me a thumb up, so it will help me to get more subscribers, so I will pay cheaper on the subscription. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.